Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down and tap on the wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, so here we will be able to check how the chosen wallpaper looks like. And under it we've got the choose wallpaper option, so you can choose the wallpaper from my wallpapers, and here we've got some defaultly installed ones. We can choose something from our own gallery, so you can set your own photo as a wallpaper, or we can choose it from wallpaper services. What's more, if you're connected with the internet, you can tap on explore more wallpapers. And let me get back. Let's tap on it again, and as you can see here we've got a lot of wallpapers from which we can choose and download something. But let me get back and let's choose something from defaultly installed ones, and as you can see here we've got some options to choose from. If you are ready to choose something, simply tap on it, for example this one. And now as you can see we can decide where we want to set our wallpaper, so we can apply it on our home screen, lock screen, or both. So let me pick for example only the home screen. Let's tap on it. This is the preview, so let's tap on set as home screen. Now let's get back, and as you can see it is immediately applied to our home screen. Let's check it, and it is also visible here. So that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy M11. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.